Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1758. That is minimum changes to make alternating minor string. And in this we'll be given a string s of consisting of character 0 and 1, and in one operation I can change 0 to 1 and or 1 to 0. Okay, and the string is called alternating if no two adjacent characters are equal. For example, 0 1 0 is alternating, but 0 1 0 0 is not, because 0 is occurring continuously, and we have to return the minimum number of operations to make the string alternating. Okay, so in this we are given the choice of changing the character. Okay, so let's say we start from v0, or you can basically start from 1. So let's say I am having the start character as 0. I am assuming that my string is starting with 0. Okay, you can assume it starts with 1 also, and you change the character in that way. Okay, so let's use the for loop, that for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length and I plus plus. Okay, so now let's say if we are having starting from 0, so that means whenever I mod 2 will be equal to 0, we need to check that if the character is a 0, then we have to not have to do anything, but if the character is 1, we have to increase the count. Okay, so that's start. Okay, let's name this count only, count. Okay, so we are assuming that we are starting from the 0. Okay, so that if I okay, sorry, if I mod 2 is equal to 0, and then we'll be checking that if s dot char at I is equal to 1. Okay, so then in that case we'll be doing uh, count plus plus. Okay, so else if this is not the case, if the position is odd, so we are assuming that it there 1 should be present. So if s dot char at I is equal to 0. Okay, so here 1 should be present, but if 0 is present, so then also we'll be increasing the count. Okay, so at the end what we have to return, we don't have to return directly the count, we have to return the minimum operations. Okay, mat dot min count comma s dot length minus the count. Okay, so now let's run it. And it gets accepted. So here we are doing s dot length minus the count, because we are also considering the case if we start from 1, then the number of count will be less subtracted from the length of the string. Okay, so now let's submit it, and it gets accepted. Okay, so yeah, this was it for today. Thank you for watching.